Welcome to another class on simultaneous linear equation. In today's class, we're going to go over a series of past exam questions, including NECO, JAMB, WAEC, and others like that, okay? Now, feel free to pause the video and attempt each question, okay? And then when you are done, play the video to watch the solution. Do you understand? Okay, let's start with the first question. We are asked to find the value of x minus y if 2x plus 2y is equals to 16 and 8x minus 2y is equals to 14. In our previous class, I told you that this kind of question usually come out in the objective, you understand? So you have to be fast and make sure that the method that you are going to use, you know the method very well, you understand? In this case, you can either use the substitution method or the elimination method. But looking at this question, the elimination method is more suitable, do you understand? Because we can easily eliminate one of the unknown. Which unknown is easy to eliminate? That is why. The reason is because y in both equations has 2 as its coefficient, even though the signs is different, you understand? By the time we add these equations together, the value of y will be eliminated, then we solve for the value of x. Is that not it? That's it, you understand? So now we are going to add both equations to eliminate the value of y. Are you paying attention? So let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2, I'm going to have 2x plus 8x. 2x plus 8x is 10x, you understand? And plus 2y plus negative 2y. Let's write it out. Plus 2y plus negative 2y. I'm going to have plus 2y. Now, plus multiplied by minus, I'm going to have negative. So I'm going to have negative 2y. That's what? 0, you understand? In this case, I've already eliminated what? Y. Now, go to the right hand side of the equation. 16 plus 14. That will give us what? 30. You understand? So I'm going to have 30. Now, I can get the value of x by dividing both sides by 10. You understand? So I'm going to have this divided by 10 and this divided by 10. So x is equals to 3. Now, having gotten the value of x as 3, I can easily get the value of y by substituting the value of x into any of these equations. I then use equation 1 or equation 2. In this case, I'm going to use equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x plus 2y is equals to 16. Now, x is equals to 3. I'm going to have 2 into bracket 3 plus 2y is equals to 16. Do you understand? Now, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So I'm going to have 6 plus 2y is equals to 16. Now, so for this, I'm going to have 2y is equals to 16. Okay, if 6 crosses the equals to sign to the other side, I'm going to have 16 minus 6. Okay, so 2y is equals to 10. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2 and this divided by 2. Y is equals to 5. You understand? Now, x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 5. Now, I can easily determine the value of x minus y. X minus y will be equals to, x is 3, so I'm going to have 3 minus y. Y is 5, so I'm going to have 3 minus 5. This is what? Negative 2. The answer is negative 2. Okay? Now, let's have another work example. To watch the next class, kindly check the description of this video. You are going to see a link there. Click on that link, or you should check the playlist on this channel. Okay, see you in the next class.